Scratch your ear if your throat feels itchy. Shake your head left and right several times to relieve tingling in your arms or legs. Protect your eyes when you're at the computer for a long time with the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break and look at something at least 20 feet away. Breathe into a plastic bag for about 30 seconds to stop hiccups. If you go to bed right after a big meal, lie on your left side. Don't eat while standing. If you feel sleepy, hold your breath as long as you can, then exhale. To delay the urge to pee, think about sex. Keep a raw onion by your bedside at night if you have a stuffy nose. If you're afraid of injections, try coughing a few times while the needle goes in. Hold a pen horizontally in your mouth for a few minutes if you're bored, angry, or upset. When you have a nosebleed, pinch gently where the bone meets the cartilage on your nose. Pinch yourself if you can't stop laughing. Press the spot between the two tendons on your inner wrist to ward off nausea. Take a spoonful of vinegar mixed with honey to soothe a cough or sore throat. If you can't fall asleep, blink rapidly for 1 minute. Drink a glass of water first thing in the morning to jumpstart your organs and boost alertness. 1 glass before meals aids digestion, and 1 before bed can lower heart attack risk. Cover your ears to hear better. Suck your thumb to calm yourself down. Hold a piece of raw onion in your mouth for a few minutes to quickly relieve a toothache.
Suspect someone gave you a fake phone number, read the number back to them, but deliberately misread 1 digit. If they correct you, that's the real number. The best time to study is between 4 and 6 a.m., when your brain is operating at 100%. From 6 o'clock a.m. to 7:30 p.m., it works at about 50%, and at night it's only around 20%. Music really is a cure for insomnia. Listening to music for 1 hour a day can reduce your risk of insomnia by up to 75%. 9 foods that relieve stomach pain: bananas, ginger, yogurt, papaya, applesauce, oatmeal, plain rice, chamomile tea, and chicken soup. 9 best foods for building muscle mass: lean beef, skinless chicken, low-fat cheese, eggs, tuna, and other fish, oatmeal, brown rice, fruits and vegetables, and healthy fats. Stretch your arms and legs for 5 minutes before bed. Your muscles will relax more, making it easier to find a comfortable sleeping position. No helium for balloons at a party? Put vinegar and baking soda into a bottle, then fit a balloon over the mouth of the bottle. Watch it inflate. Add the letters GIF before YouTube in any video URL, and you can instantly create an animated GIF from that video. Psychologists say that when you meet someone for the first time, you have only 7 seconds to make a strong first impression, so make it count. Have an Excel file too large to email? Save it as an .xlsb file to reduce its size by 50 to 75%. You can relieve a tension headache by placing a pencil between your teeth. Don't bite down, just engage your jaw muscles, and the tension and pain will ease. Remove underarm sweat stains by pouring lemon juice on them before washing. If you smell gas, apply soapy water to the gas pipe. Bubbles will form at the leak, revealing its location. To clean up broken glass, wipe the area with a damp cloth and then throw the cloth away. No more missed shards. Stick a flower stem into a potato. It will keep your blooms fresh for up to a week. To remove a hickey, wet a spoon and freeze it for 20 minutes. Then press the cold spoon onto the mark to dramatically lighten its color and size. Too lazy to read a long article? The TLDR Chrome extension gives you a concise summary of overly lengthy posts. For safe online dating, drag someone's profile picture into Google Images to verify where else it appears. If you have multiple online accounts, visit namesiake.com to see every site where your username is already taken. Happiness comes when you stop comparing yourself to others.
Honesty may not win you many friends, but it will always bring you the right ones. When you point one finger at someone else, remember the other 3 are pointing back at you. If you don't want to be criticized, never criticize others. If you're not sure, it's better to stay silent. Don't worry about what people say behind your back. They're always behind you for a reason. If you have a toothache, rub a cold ice cube on the skin between your thumb and index finger. Losing your cool during an exam? Write down how you feel on a piece of paper. Can't hear someone? Turn your right ear toward them. Still dizzy even lying down? Place one foot flat on the floor. Feeling nervous before a big interview or final exam? Strike a power pose. It boosts testosterone and confidence. Be careful with your words. Once they leave your mouth, they can be forgiven but never forgotten. To make towels or clothes as soft as new, soak them in salt water for 3 days, then launder as usual. Drop a coin and a pinch of sugar into your vase to keep flowers fresh longer. Crumple old newspaper and line your fridge's produce drawer before loading fruits and veggies. It slows ripening and prevents wilting or spoilage. Store an apple with potatoes to keep the potatoes from sprouting as quickly. Add a pinch of salt to boiling water to prevent eggshells from cracking. If a soup or dish is too salty, toss in a few potato slices or a splash of lemon juice. It brightens flavor and cuts saltiness. To fry fish without splatter, pat it completely dry after washing, then sprinkle a little salt before frying. Cover fresh greens with a paper towel, wrap tightly in plastic and refrigerate. They'll stay crisp for about a week. Hands itching while peeling produce? Soak them for 2 minutes in lukewarm water with a splash of vinegar. Wrap the banana stem in plastic wrap to keep bananas fresh for an extra 3 to 5 days. To make a mirror sparkle, wipe it down with a little Sprite. Soak lemons in hot water for an hour before juicing to get every last drop. To get rid of cockroaches, chop an onion into small pieces. Mix with 1 teaspoon baking soda. Sprinkle where roaches gather and repeat as needed. To eliminate ants, sprinkle cornstarch where ants forage. Trail it back to their nest, and in a few weeks, you'll see a big drop in ant activity. To repel mosquitoes, put 1-3 drops of lavender, peppermint, or eucalyptus oil on a sponge. Seal it in a small container for 24 hours, and then open and let the scent disperse. Tech hacks that could save you. F12. Quickly save in Word. Right-click. Translate. Auto-translate selected text. F2. Rename file or folder. Control+Shift. Switch between English and Vietnamese input. Shift+Delete. Permanently delete without recycle bin. Windows+L. Lock your PC. Alt+F4. Close all open windows. Control+Shift+T. Reopen the last closed tab. Alt+F1. Insert a chart in Excel. Right-click. Loop. Repeat a YouTube video. Save as .ppsx. Open PowerPoint directly in slideshow mode. No saved Word draft. Look for .asd files in This PC, Win10, and open in Word. You'll find your unsaved draft. Shift+F3. Toggle selected text between uppercase and lowercase to download a YouTube video. Add SS after www in the URL. To get YouTube audio only, remove UB from YouTube in the URL. Airport Wi-Fi paywall. Append .jpg to any URL to bypass redirects. Downloaded PDF shows.exe. Delete it immediately. It's likely malware.
I really appreciate you sticking around till the end of the video. Thank you. If you've got feedback, leave it in the comments so I can keep getting better. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips. See you next time. Bye.